In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to earn loyalty points on Monopoly Go. Now, whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, these steps will help you rack up those points in no time. To kick things off, the first essential task is to open the Monopoly Go app on your device. Make sure it's installed and updated to the latest version to avoid any technical hiccups along the way. If you're like me and sometimes struggle to find apps in the sea of icons on your phone, it might help to use the search function. You'll easily spot the classic Monopoly logo, which is always a bit nostalgic and brings a sense of excitement to the next steps. Now that you have the app open and running, you need to locate the three-dot icon within the interface. It's typically found in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. Finding these icons is second nature once you know what to look for. This icon may seem small, but it serves as your gateway to more options in the app, which we'll need access to for our ultimate goal. Tapping on it might feel intuitive if you're familiar with in-app navigation. But for those who aren't, think of it as unlocking a hidden menu or a settings list. Next, with your hidden menu revealed, your task is to zero in on the shop option from the list. The shop is where you can browse a variety of in-app items and deals. Once you've tapped on it, the excitement really begins. If this is your first time visiting, take a moment to explore the layout. It's generally a visually appealing and user-friendly space, designed to draw you into the Monopoly world. Exploring the shop doesn't just mean browsing. It's here that the concept of loyalty points comes into play. While you're checking out the latest deals or pondering a purchase, keep an eye out for how you can accumulate these points. Shopping and spending within the app often grant bonuses in the form of loyalty points, enhancing your Monopoly Go experience at each interaction. It's a smart design choice that incentivizes engagement. To sum things up, earning loyalty points in Monopoly Go is about engaging with the app's dynamics, all starting with opening the app, accessing the shop through the three-dot icon, and exploring the options available, especially those that offer loyalty rewards. Remember, these points can accumulate quickly, offering you even more opportunities within the game to enjoy additional perks. Thanks for joining me today. I hope these steps make your Monopoly Go experience even more rewarding. Stick around for more tips and tricks as you continue to conquer your Monopoly board. Happy gaming, and I'll see you in the next video.